In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar to type in Magic Fluids Live Fluids theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and then tap on the node icon at the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three lines at the bottom right one, select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, and tap on Set Wallpaper here. If you want to, you can click on gear icon at the top left corner before, or this gear icon at the top right corner now to manage any of those options however you want to. Then go back, hit Set Wallpaper and apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by choosing one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!